other strategies to fish out the bad boys in our society. Bad boys are all over the place. In the north, we have bad boys. In the south, we have the bad boys. In the east, we have bad boys. In the west, we have bad boys. But there are ways and means of fishing them out, and not to burn houses and to destroy properties. The video below shows you the extent of damage. 19 houses in a day were burnt in Umulolo. The ones in Ihube, we cannot count. Every good house is being burnt down. Every good house is being burnt down. Why? And those who build these houses are not at home. They are burning down their houses. Why are you burning down beautiful houses? Why? Military, why are you burning down people's beautiful houses? My church they wanted to touch my church, but for the proactiveness of the minister in charge, that house could have been burned down today. His car could have been burned down because he hung his cassock on it and they left it. One of them said, I saw water. The other one said, no, father's car. Why? Enough is enough.
Don't worry. Don't worry. What did you make him? What did you make him? My over there. What did you make him? Hand him over there. Good kind man. What is it? We fall like I didn't got to. Oh, no one knows. Hi. In the kind man. I didn't got to that thing. More like you. I'm my brother. But I'm all up in.
Good morning, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. Good morning, Nigeria. I am Most Reverend Bieron Livinus Honora, the Methodist Archbishop of Okigwe Archdiocese. Okigwe Archdiocese is made up of Okigwe Diocese, Uturu Diocese, Ihube Diocese, Nochi Diocese, and the Sukwato Diocese. These dioceses constitute Okigwe Archdiocese, and all the environs were extended from Imo to Abia. Now, these archdioceses have been under the mayhem of bandits in the recent past. The kidnappers have had their sway, bandits have had their sway. Now, militarization of the environment is what we are seeing. Now, I want to sincerely request that our people should be saved. Ihube community is totally deserted. That place has become a ghost town, and Imo State government knows about it. Our community has been deserted for long now. Bomber jets have gone into this community and bombed that place 2 times. Helicopters are doing much harm than good in all these areas. I mean, the military moved from house to house, burning down houses. I condemn in strong terms the death of any military man in the hands of the bad boys in the society. But the military has a strategy which they use in fishing out bad boys in the society. Does it call to burn down every house in the environment before you can fish out bad boys in the society? Our people are in abject, terrible situation right now. I don't know how we are going to describe it. More refugees are coming out, more than what happened in the war. the military of Nigeria should take it cautiously. They should not be burning down houses like Boko Harams have been burning down houses in the north. I don't know whatever is happening. Is it a way of paying back the Igbos for what we have not done? This time around, you hear them speak Asa water, Asa water, Asa water, in cars, Asa water, in houses, Asa water, in shops, Asa water, thinking that we don't understand that language, Hausa. Put fire, put fire, put fire, put fire, everywhere, put fire, everywhere, put fire. When you have put fire on all the whole places, people you're supposed to guide and protect, what then is your work? Are you Boko Haram? What are you? We don't know exactly what you are doing for us in this place. The other day, Umulala community was almost sacked. Everything in a community called Umukele, all 19 houses were burned. 2 aged women were pushed out of their houses and their houses were set ablaze. Where will they go? We have gotten more refugees in our hands than we can cope with. Please, Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, come and see, come on the spot visit of all these places and know what to do. I know that Imo State is made up of 3 senatorial zones. 3 senatorial zones. And now the south is gone, Okigwe senatorial zone is gone, and it remaining only Owerri senatorial zone. Are you governing only Owerri senatorial zone? Please, we need intervention immediately. We need intervention immediately. We need intervention immediately. Our people are dying of hunger. Our people are dying of cold. No houses to stay in. People are running out of their ancestral homes. All their farms are being looted. Are we in a war zone? If we are in a war zone, please tell us that we are in a war zone. Ohaneze Ndibo, I don't know why you are painting what is evil. You are not trying to paint these things. I don't know whether you are political, whether you are people who are helping your community. I don't know. People should rise up and do what they're supposed to do. Should rise up. This terrible situation has becoming unbecoming unto our people. Oh, people are dying. Oh, situations have come from bad to worst in these areas. Our community, we don't have, almost life has been lost. That is, we don't have people living in that place again. Ube community, we don't even have people living there again. Now, Umulala, why must you take over Imo State? Decimating them. Why can't the sons and daughters of these places rise up and tell the government enough is enough? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. And people should not run away from their ancestral homes just like that. We are not Alamajiris. Don't convert us Alamajiris in this area.
People's houses raised down today at Omukele. God. People's houses raised down by Nigerian soldiers. Innocent people.
Big generator Japan pump small generator, small control, everything no there. Takoshi, magic tank, everything.
Board, everything. Here we not only mulam here.
How about you?
And then you to need to learn that corridor. I can see more than that. One more thing they see.
Hey! Hey! Oh my goodness.